Hi, my name is Alisa Hernandez. Today is Wednesday, September 22nd, 2021. This is Bio 225. So prior to starting this exercise, I already washed my hands with warm water and soap, and I already disinfected my area with 10% bleach. And I already labeled all my slides that I will be using. I already labeled my one direct M, and then I flipped it over, and then I drew a circle, and then I have my two negative. So for my first one, for my first and second slide, I already grabbed the sterile swab, and I vigorously swabbed my teeth and gums. And then for the first one, I already added 2 drops of the violet, and then I allowed it to sit for 60 seconds, and then I ran it underwater, and then now it's clear color, and I dabbed it on the towel, and now it's ready for observation for the one direct M. And for the second one, I also already swabbed my teeth and gums vigorously with the sterile swab, and I'm going to add 2 drops of the Congo red. And after I drop the 2 drops, I'm going to grab another sterile slide, and I'm going to wipe it down with this other slide, all the remaining of the Congo red, and then I'm going to dab it. Okay, so I have it here. It's already, make sure I take all the excess. Now the slide is ready for observation under the microscope. So now for exercise 2, I already have my slides labeled. I have the E. coli, the staph, and the yeast. And let me see. So I'm going to get the broth, the E. coli broth. But first I'm gonna grab this, sterilize the inoculation loop by placing it in a cup of alcohol for 30 seconds. I'm gonna remove the loop and shake it to dry. I'm gonna shake it to dry. So I'm gonna have this ready, and then I'm gonna grab the E. coli broth. Okay, so I'm gonna take off the cap. And then I'm going to put the lip on the flame to sterilize it. Okay. Carefully insert the loop into the broth, and then we're gonna transfer the liquid adhere into the loop over the dime-sized circle on the label slide of the slide. And then we're gonna place it back in the alcohol. We're gonna sterilize the lip again before putting the cap on. We're gonna allow the slide to completely air dry. And now I'm gonna grab the slide and placing it side up. We're gonna pass it through the flames 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we're gonna allow the slide to cool. So then we're gonna repeat steps 1 through 11 for my second one, for the staph. So we're gonna repeat repeat the same steps. So I'm gonna grab the staff. Well, I'm gonna start with the crystal violet. So I'm going to add 1 to 2 drops, but I'm gonna put it in here. In the staining tray. So we're gonna put 1 to 2 drops. So I already put 2 drops. So we're gonna wait 60 seconds and then gently rinse the slide with tap water over the straining tray. So while we're waiting for this one, I'm going to start on the staff one. So we're gonna repeat steps 1 through 11. So I'm gonna grab the staff one. Gonna grab this, disinfect it, 30 seconds. And then make sure it's dry. Gonna take off the cap and sterilize the tip or the lip. And then gonna make sure we don't touch the tube or the vial. And then before I'm gonna put it back in my alcohol, sterilize it again, allow it to dry, and then we're gonna put in the staining tray. Okay, and then we're gonna add 1 to 2 drops of the crystal violet. Okay. So now the E. coli it's already been 60 seconds. So I'm going to rinse it with tap water. Okay. And dab it to dry it. Put it right here, and we're gonna add 2 to 3 drops of iodine. And we're gonna wait 60 seconds. So now the staff one's already ready. It's been 60 seconds, so we're gonna rinse it with tap water. So we're gonna put 2 to 3 drops of iodine, and we're gonna wait 60 seconds again. Okay, so it's already been 60 seconds, so we're gonna rinse the E. coli, gently rinse the slide, and then return it to the staining tray. And dab it, make sure it's dry. So I'm gonna put it back in my staining tray. And for the E. coli, I'm going to add 2 to 3 drops of the decolorizer. So now the staff one is done. I'm gonna gently rinse it, the slide, and return it to the staining tray. So 2 to 3 drops of the decolorizer. Okay, so I'm sorry, it's going to be 30 seconds. So the E. coli's already done. So I'm going to gently rinse the slide and return to the staining tray again. 2 to 3 drops of the saffronin, and we're gonna wait 30 seconds. And this one's already done. It's been 30 seconds. All right, so it's already been 30 seconds for the E. coli, so we're gonna gently rinse the slide. And then place the slide on the paper towel and allow it to completely dry. So I'm gonna grab the staff one and also gently rinse the slide. And then place it in the paper towel and allow it to completely dry. So I'm gonna repeat the steps for 14 and 20 steps for the remaining of the 2 slides. So I'm gonna take a photo of the slides, and then with my name and date invisible in the photo, and upload the images in photo 5. And that's it. We're going to repeat steps 23 to 25 for the 2 remaining slides that we have here, and upload the images for photos 7 and 8. And then after I'm done, I'm going to wipe my area with 10% bleach. And that's it for today. Thank you.